welcome to Planner Power. We are opening this construction vehicle. Do you know what type of?
It's a backhoe.
A what?
It's a backhoe.
Oh, okay.
But it is a construction vehicle too.
Yeah. And we're going to open it.
Marina, no, we're doing a video.
She's a baby.
Come here.
Okay. So here's the backhoe. Wait.
Was I in the video?
No.
Are you
Well, I don't.
ready?
Yeah. Here's the backhoe. What's this part called? Nathan, what's this called?
The spoon, I think?
A spoon?
A scooper?
A scooper. Let's just call it a scooper. And what's this called? It's something. Hey, stop. What's this part called right here?
That's the front. That's the front loader that scoots up.
Oh, this is the front loader. What's this?
Front loader.
That's the digger that digs. A
This
nice
is the digger. Okay. I had a little help with that. So like and subscribe to our channel, and subscribe also Taylor Barnett. He's our uncle, and I'm in some of those videos, but that was when we were like 5. Oh. He still does videos.
Bye.
Wait. No, don't use this. If we can get 10 subscribers, which is 5 more than we have, and 600 likes, we'll do another unboxing video. Bye!